So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the Elrond network, the wallet, how to stake, how to buy, pretty much everything. And I'm a total noob. I just discovered this entire process a few hours ago. So it's super fresh, real hot out of oven. I'm giving to you, juicy. I hope you find this useful. And I don't see a reason to create an hour-long video, which I could just give it to you in a few minutes. Because the whole process took me less than 10 minutes, right? So get excited, because I am. And also, another side note. I never had Elrond. I know about Elrond quite a bit. But this is the first time I got involved because my degen kicked in after midnight. And one of my followers on Twitter, degen, total degen, he's an Elrond maxi. So he's been talking about Elrond for quite some time. And I still remember he told me about Elrond when it was trading around $300. So today, earlier on, it actually broke all-time high. Traded around 560, I believe, on KuCoin. Although it shows 545-ish. And right now it's cooling down a bit. So currently sitting at 10 billion market cap. I can see it grow, okay? Elrond could be like probably $2,000-$3,000 or even more down the road once mass adoption kicks in. And the matter of fact, it's booming, it's pumping because of their latest DEX, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. Maiar exchange DEX. That's the first one. So we are very new, really early. I thought I was late when I saw the market cap of $3 billion, but then I realized it's not bad. And the APR is really juicy at the moment. I don't know what was the initial APR. So, however, I'm going to explain the whole process. I might miss out on stuff, and if I do, just let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll address them next time, okay? So, all right, let's not talk about Elrond or what it is. You should know. I'm just going to talk about the juicy stuff, all right? The staking. So, first, how do you get Elrond? For me, I have two options. Well, I prefer to use. One is KuCoin, but the second option, which is the best one I just discovered, was Crypto.com app. Okay, I have the links to all the stuff in my description, so feel free to use them. They're my referrals. And so KuCoin.com, Elrond, add the vault. Oh, hold on. First, you have to create a wallet. Okay, an Elrond wallet. I did it in two ways. I'm using a Ledger Nano, okay? So I connected Ledger Nano with the Elrond wallet, which is wallet.elrond.com, okay? So over here, you have two choices. You can have a Maiar app. You can have it on your phone, okay? Or I'm going to show you my way. So I like to use Ledger, okay? So I had the Ledger option, and for some reason, I had to turn off my VPN as well as my antivirus because my Ledger has been giving some issues. So let me unlock it real quick, and then I'm gonna show it to you. Okay. So you need to get the Elrond from the KuCoin app. And then you get a wallet address, which I'm going to show you in a second, which is very easy. All right, so I'm connected. After connecting, I'm going to turn on the Elrond app here. It was a little glitchy, so I don't know. I hope everything turns out because I want to do this without any edits, like straight up. All right, so let's see. All right, so connecting Ledger. Yeah, look at this. So just ignore this for a bit. I don't know if it's a Brave issue, if it's a... Okay, here you go. So, once you're connected to the Ledger, you can clearly see it's going to give you a lot of addresses to choose from. So I went with the first one. Here you go. All right. So you can clearly see this is how much I have. E-gold, my balance. This is my address. So confirm. Okay, so this is my address. Just ignore what's happening here because for some reason the ledger is acting weird. But yeah, I'm confirming and authorizing. So here you go. This is my wallet, right? This is a desktop wallet. It's connected to my ledger. And you don't have to use a ledger. You can just have it, just a wallet and a seed phrase separately, totally fine. So yeah, just have a, just do whatever, you know, ways, whatever suits you, okay? And then once you're on this, you don't really have to do much unless you want to interact, like receive token, send token. But here, you have your address right now, okay? Your address. What I did was, I like the QR code as usual, because Crypto.com, they have an, the QR code is easier to like scan and add your wallet address. So what I did was, I added my address to the KuCoin, okay? And then I bought Elrond, and then I transferred over to this one, to this wallet address, okay? And that's it. Matter of less than a minute. It was actually real quick. So less than a minute, it was in my wallet, okay? You'll see it right in your balance. And then what I did, you go to, okay, so this is the exchange, Maiar exchange, all right? Their token is MEX, M-E-X. Maiar exchange, this is the first exchange. The fact, I have no idea, because like I said, I discovered the whole thing just a few hours ago, okay? And I'm just giving it to you fresh. And everything is pretty straightforward. You can check out their Telegram and Reddit. They have like over 100,000 users on their Telegram, and I didn't check much. So very straightforward. Get on their website. Okay, I'm coming to that. Okay, this is the Elrond main website. You could also like click stake now, and it shows you how to stake, which is okay. So prior to this, I wanted to show you something else real quick. On this wallet that you have, all right, you could actually stake Elrond right here. Okay, you can stake Elrond for a 16.262% APR. So if you click stake now, these are the validators. You can see the providers. All right, so you can see the APR each of them provide. So this is a safer way. If you just want to stake Elrond, you're not getting a juicy APR as close to what I'm going to show you in a bit. But yeah, this is where you can stake eGold just right on your wallet and enjoy the APR. And you can see it's pretty much clear until next reward batch, etc., right? So that's out of the way. I'm not going to talk about any of these right now. Like I said, it's very straightforward. You can become a validator and etc., send, receive. Okay, all right, so this is done. Now let's talk about the farming part. So this is the Maiar exchange. When you this is the first thing you see. Yeah, however, the token price, it's going down a little bit because a lot of people are enjoying the farming reward. It's crazy juicy farming reward, which you're gonna see in a bit. When I entered the market, it was 3.2 billion. Right now it's 2.8, so almost, wow, quite a bit. Well, not a lot, but it dropped, and that's what happens initially when a new farm comes out. Okay, not a big deal. This is not like just an any random farms. This is, this is here to stay. This is just not a rug pull or any of that kind of stuff, right? So anyways, I'm gonna explain this real quick. All right, so I found a chart which is still amateurish. It's not like really professional. I'm still looking for a better version, and you can clearly see it's taking a dive here. 5 minutes chart. Yeah, it's taking a little break, cooling off. A lot of people are taking profits because a lot of early birds, they stake, they're taking profits. So chart is useful if you want to buy. You don't want to buy when you're all-time high. So look at the chart. If it's in a dip right now, it's a good time to ape in. DCA. So this is ArrowVec. I'm gonna try to link them in the description. Feel free to use it. All right. So all right, let's jump into the farming. Really straightforward. Home, swap, liquidity, farms, analytics. Analytics shows you volume, etc. All right, clean. I'm gonna show you farm, swap, and liquidity, all three. All right, you ready? Ready. Cool. All right, swap. Here, liquidity is okay. Here's the liquidity thing. So first, I'm gonna show you farming. Okay, look at this. I was supposed to be connected, but it's all good. So, farming APR currently is 49%. I'm not sure about the initial APR. It was probably crazier. So yeah, this is what it is right now. Okay, MEX. MEX is the native token for the exchange. All right. So you connect here. When you connect your wallet, I told you you can have the Maiar app on your phone. I have the ledger, and yeah, I know. I don't have to go through. I'm showing you literally what I just did. I just put a little bit of amount to see what works. Everything right on your face. Everything right on your face. Alright, here you go. Confirm. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Okay, so yeah, too much security. That's why I love this ledger. But it also can be a pain in the ass. Alright, so authorize. Alright, here you go. Look at the juicy APR. I just made $2.50 without doing anything. Alright, so here it is, okay? Currently, it's so brand new, you can clearly see they don't have anything, any pairs beside just eGold Max and eGold USDC. That's all they have. So I'll show you how to do this. If you're participating in this liquidity staking, alright, understand impermanent loss. I'm not gonna explain that right now, so understand that. If you want to be safe, okay, if you want to be safe, try to play with this mix, single staking. Okay, however, the rewards are not as juicy as these. You can clearly see these are riskier because it's how it is, but you get a juicier APR. They compensate you, you know, with that. So, however you want to play it, I'm gonna show you both. So what you do over here, you go to swap. All right, eGold, the one we transferred. All right, select how much eGold you want, and then select, like I said, they don't have any other tokens beside MEX and USDC. So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna buy some MEX. Well, I'm not gonna buy any more MEX because I did, but I'm just showing it to you, right? So choose 0.1. Matter of fact, I'm gonna actually get this MEX. All right, so 0.05. All right, why not? Let's do it. So now I have to confirm, sign. You might not have to say this. I guess it's a glitch on my Brave or whatever. But yeah. So it'll show on your ledger, and you sign the transaction, and sign and submit again. Let's see. Come on. Alright. Come on, guys. Alright, there you go. Alright, so look at this. So the transaction is being processed. Oh, I'm gonna remove my face so you can see it clearly, yeah? There you go. See this? Swapping tokens. Right? Yeah, a lot of people using it right now. But yeah, it's fairly fast, to be honest. Alright, there you go. So you're done. I purchased right now. And you can see I have some MEX right now, right? Because the rest are staked. So what do you do right now? You have some MEX. And you can do is go to farm. All you have to do is stake it here. Click on stake. Click on MEX. Max, how much you want. Like, you know, 50%, whatever. And then click on stake, and that's it. And then you have to sign. You get the point? So pretty straightforward, right? Sign. Now I'm gonna show you the liquidity. Okay, this one. So MEX is straightforward. You bought some MEX, you stake it. Now eGold, I'm just gonna show you one because everything is just the same way. All right. I'm gonna show you eGold and MEX. So you go to liquidity right now because I already have some eGold and I have some MEX. So you go to add liquidity. Over here, it has to be 1:1 ratio, okay, worth. So over here, I would say MEX, and over here, eGold, MEX max. Clearly see, I don't have, there you go, I have enough. So now what you can do is, this much, right, this is 1:1 worth this much of eGold, this is pair. Now you can do is add liquidity, and I have to sign, right? I'm actually gonna do this right now. Why not? Let's just do it. Alright. So I'm gonna sign this. Continue. Sign and submit. That's a little too much of securities out there. Crazy. Alright. So, now what's gonna happen is they're gonna give me a liquidity token. It's like a share of a company, okay? A dividend, a share. So what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna go to farms, right? So Mex is straightforward. I just showed you, stake it. Same thing with this now. Now I have the token. Now what happens is you're gonna see the token appearing right here. eGold and Mex together. That's a pair. So you click on max or how much you want, right? The max, whatever. So I'm gonna stake it. Again, the same way. I hope I have enough eGold, you know, for gas money. Always have some left over. You will need that. Or else I might have to transfer some from the exchange, which is another pain in the ass. So yeah. Let's see. Alright, so I signed it. And clearly you can see I believe so. There you go. It's adding. Right here. It's adding farm stake. Okay. Voila. There you go. Alright. So there you go. So I staked. You can see the value increase. So kind of staked. And this is how much I earned so far. Yeah, it's gonna keep compounding basically. APY. These are auto compounded. I believe so. Oh, hold on. No, maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. I still have to learn a lot more about this and discover, because it says my earned. Sorry, there you go. Unable to harvest right now. Too small. Okay, so unable to harvest rewards more than $10. That's another thing here, which I didn't notice earlier on. So yeah, that's fine. So you can reinvest all, or like this is compounding. So manual compounding and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, this is brand new. They don't have any other pairs yet. Once a lot more pairs gets on this, right, the price of eGold will skyrocket, because and this eGold, the best part is it's limited supply. That's another thing. eGold has limited supply, right? I believe it's yeah, look at this. Total supply only 20 million. 20,300,097. That's tiny compared to, you know, the market cap and everything. So eGold, yeah, I'm bullish on eGold. I don't have a significant amount, but it's fun to play around a little bit. And I had to do this because if I didn't, I couldn't show you, right? So if you found this useful, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more stuff, subscribe. I plan on covering a lot of other stuff that personally I'm invested in. And I also want to talk about new stuff that I discover, from NFTs, from farming to the good and the bad and the ugly and everything. All right. So that's all I got. Stay safe and don't get wrecked.